Is brought to you by State Farm, the grand sponsor, Deep Foods, Aruba Xavier University, House of Spices, and the Barnard Law Offices.
Brought to you by State Farm. Get to a better state.
Hey, Lata! Hi, how are you doing?
I'm very good.
Where is Amit?
Oh, he's there.
Hey, Nisha.
Isn't that your new car?
Isn't she a beauty? Mwah, mwah.
He spent 6 months deciding on the car, but just 15 minutes getting car insurance.
Oh, bye, Nisha.
Get to a better state. State Farm.
नमस्कार, जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय।
जय हिंद।
भारत माता की जय का उद्घोष सुनने का अवसर मिलने वाला है भारतवासियों को और अमेरिका में रहने वाले भारत प्रेमियों को। आज 38th स्ट्रीट मेडिसन एवेन्यू से शुरू होने वाली है इंडिया डे परेड।
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुलें हैं उसकी, वो गुलसिता हमारा।
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। जय हिंद।
भारत के जो प्रेमी जन हैं उन सब के साथ साथ जो भारत के बारे में जानने की उत्सुकता रखते हैं उनके लिए भी इंडिया डे परेड, जिसका आयोजन फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडियन एसोसिएशंस की ओर से पिछले 32 वर्षों से लगातार किया जा रहा है और ITV पिछले कुछ वर्षों से इसका लाइव प्रसारण अपने दर्शकों तक पहुंचाता रहा है।
जय हिंद,
जय हिंद, जय हिंद। और हमारी एक सहयोगी रेनू लोबो पिछले 11 वर्षों से इस ग्रैंड स्टैंड से आने वाली झांकियों का परिचय आप तक पहुंचाती रही हैं।
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
ये जो उत्साह है भारत को जानने का, भारत से जुड़ने का, आप चाहे अभी पालने में चल रहे हो तो भी आप इंडिया डे परेड में आते हैं और चाहे आपके सारे बाल सफ़ेद हो चुके हैं तब भी आप इस इंडिया डे परेड में आते हैं। भारत के बारे में जानने का, तिरंगे के संदेश को पहचानते हुए शांति और समृद्धि की तरफ बढ़ने की कटिबद्धता के लिए उत्सवमय है आज का ये दिन।
We have been coming every year and we are really proud of India. We feel like that we are in India right now.
So many people, it's so much excitement and we feel great.
19 अगस्त 2012 ITV के लिए भारत के प्रेम इंडिया डे परेड की झलकियां आप तक पहुंचाने के लिए प्रस्तुत हूं मैं अशोक व्यास।
One more time, give it up for our Grand Marshal Saif Ali Khan and the Chief Guest Anil Kumble.
जय हिंद,
जय हिंद,
जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय हिंद, जय भारत।
I'm very excited. Thank you India for this wonderful moment here. Thank you everybody. And let's go India!
बुरा ना कहो, बुरा ना बोलो, बुरा ना सुनो।
जब शून्य दिया मेरे भारत ने, भारत ने मेरे भारत ने, दुनिया को तब गिनती आई।
वंदे मातरम।
या थैया के ताक थे।
Hello everybody. Thank you. It's very nice to see so many people out here. It's a very special day. I think there are two great countries involved. I think the United States is a very great country that has welcomed all of us. to live here and make our lives here, which is very special. And I think obviously India is a very great country, and I'm very proud to be here today as the Grand Marshal or whatever you would like to call it. The point is, I got an opportunity to look at all of you to say thank you for all the love and affection you give, not just me, but all of us in the movie industry. I think I may represent them today when I say that we also love you very much. You're so important to what we do. The kind of movies we make and everything we do is also to make you happy. And I'm very happy that we managed to do that. So lots of love to all of you that are here today. And on my behalf, I'd like to thank Mr. Kanu Chauhan for having brought me here. I'm sorry, I don't know the names of all the other wonderful organizers who put together such a special day. But I'd like to thank all of them as well, Mr. Abu Malik. And not least, I'd like to thank the New York Police City Department and the Police Department for having allowed us to do this so efficiently and so well. Thank you very much. So thank you. Once again, it's very nice to be here. Lovely to see everybody, and happy Independence Day to all of you. And I think we're in a country that understands and respects.
And very briefly, what is it about India that you like most?
The culture, the tradition, and whatnot. Everything in India, basically, everything.
Everything is important in India, and I like India. I love India very much, every time, all time. It's my favorite.
Tell me, when you think about India, what is it that comes to you?
Of course, it's always tradition and culture.
Which India's tradition you can hold on to here in America?
Everything like the brotherhood and sisterhood and everything like the family values and culture, dressing sense, everything. Yeah, we always miss India.
Every American who's on Madison Avenue is an Indian, okay? And that goes back to if Thomas Jefferson was alive today and standing on Madison Avenue, he'd be an Indian. But especially Christopher Columbus, he'd be an Indian. So, Jai Hind.
हिंदुस्तान की कल्चर की बात करें तो फिराक साहब की रुबाई है कि इन रागों का राज कोई पूछे हमसे, इन रागों का राज कोई पूछे हमसे, अफलाक खनकते हैं जिसके तालो सम से, ए हिंद तेरी मिट्टी है नरमाई हुई, सीता और शकुंतला के अश्क के गम से.
क्या बात है साहब, बहुत अच्छा है. जय हिंद.
I think it's fantastic. We NRIs are global citizen, so we can celebrate India Independence Day in New York, and I think that's beautiful. Happy Independence to everybody.
This is the happiest day for the freedom of India. This is the day when we pay tribute to all the great people who gave life for us. And we are here carrying the same message now through the Indo-US relationship. Jai Hind, everybody enjoy the parade and keep India in the best possible light in America. And join us in all Indo-US activities. That's our next march. Jai Hind.
Wonderful morning here to spend with all of you. To see the Business India, Knowledge India and Cultural India go past. It's a great event. Thank you so much. Happy Independence Day.
As a child, when I used to study, there used to be certain statements at the back of the course book which would say समस्त भारतीय मेरे भाई बहन हैं, and also somebody would say that भारत किसी भौगोलिक सीमा तक सीमित नहीं है. India is not confined to any geographical boundaries. So the spirit of India is all encompassing. And tell me, what is it about India that brought you here to be a part of India Day Parade?
Well, I just immigrated from the UK, but everyone in the world touches Indian people are everywhere around the world, and they are sharing their culture, their religion, their beliefs, and everyone's there to actually experience and learn from us.
Wonderful. So now time for you to say Jai Hind. And tell me, is it the first time that Dunkin' Donuts is a part of this parade?
That is correct. This is the first time Dunkin' Donut ever has participated in it, and this is the biggest year for Dunkin' Donuts to celebrate India Day Parade, is because they just started the relationship with India. They opened up 3 stores in New Delhi, and they want to open up 500 stores in next 10 years.
I see the unity in India. Whatever, we see people, past leaders, they gave us the independence. We need to have the value of those independence. And we wish you lots of luck. God bless you all. God bless America. God bless India. Thank you.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Time for a quiz for you. Tell me, who is the President of India?
Manmohan Singh, yes.
You'll get a chance. Okay, who is the President of India?
It's Pranab Mukherjee.
Man, somebody prompted you. Please move back. Thank you. Okay, who is Manmohan Singh?
He's the Prime Minister.
Wonderful. So we get corrected. Now, question for you. Try color flag that we have. Tell me, what are the 3 colors there? And also the color of the circle in between, the wheel.
The colors are saffron, white and green, and the color of wheel is blue.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. We're promoting Gujarati and Gujaratism. So we want to make sure that people know that Mahatma Gandhi was so modern that even if he was alive these days, he would be doing this. He would be promoting.
There's an idea of the Chalo Gujarat too. We had a lot of Indian bikers, and the numbers have been growing over the last few years. So we figured we'd bring it out and be a part of the celebrations. We're so happy to be here. We're very happy to be part of the crowd. And we wish everyone 65th Independence Day and Jai Hind.
Thank you. Once again, it's very nice to be here. Lovely to see everybody, and happy Independence Day to all of you. And I think we're in a country that understands and respects.
Jai Hind! Jai Bharat! Jai Hind! Jai Bharat!
बुरा ना कहो, बुरा ना बोलो, बुरा ना सुनो.
I'm very excited. Thank you, India, for this wonderful moment here. Thank you, everybody. And let's go, India!
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
When did you come to America?
It's 2.5 years.
And what memory you have of India's Independence Day?
Yeah, it's like feeling similar like as a Rath Yatra where we are used to. I'm from Ahmedabad, so it seems like similarity to that, and remind of that Indian Independence Day again over here.
My name is Nayan Parikh. I'm president with the Society of Indo-American Engineers and Architects. We've been marching for the last 30 years. Great weather, exciting, and a lot of vibration on this parade.
Wonderful. Just a quiz type question for you. Satyamev Jayate, that is a part of India's Rashtriya Chinna.
Yes.
What is the source of Satyamev Jayate? Where it comes from?
Satyamev Jayate, I have no idea.
No problem. It comes from Mundaka Upanishad. Mundaka Upanishad.
Mundaka?
Upanishad.
Mundaka Upanishad. Satyamev Jayate.
Which means? Satyamev Jayate means?
Satyamev Jayate, Satya is always right and
Wonderful.
Satya always wins.
Wonderful. Thank you.
सत्ता की जय ITV जिंदाबाद ITV जिंदाबाद Let's go
Okay, quiz for you. What is India's code if you want to dial for India?
9122
91 is the code. 22 probably your.
Yes Bombay
All right, ladies and gentlemen, go to second.
आपका क्या होगा जनाब अली आपका क्या होगा मैं आगे ना पीछे ना कोई ऊपर नीचे रोने वाला
I think that one very important part about India is that it's so rich in culture, and it gives us a lot to connect to while we are here. I was just sitting on this float thinking, you know what, there's so many Indians in New York, and every year we get together and we celebrate Independence Day, and it just feels like we're back home as well, because there's so much energy, so much excitement, so much enthusiasm about our country and how proud we are to be Indians. So I really love being here every single year, and it's just really great.
You know, it's a great opportunity for me to ask Shruti. India Day Parade is like a family affair for many Indian families. They come together, huddling together, singing together. Amongst the many values that we connect with India, one is related to respect, gratefulness. From that point of view, do you see any difference when you see families that are not from India and those families that are from India in terms of their interpersonal relationship with respect to respecting each other?
I think that is a very good question you bring up, and it is very true that Indian kids, they have learned to respect their elders, and they make sure that they give respect to anyone who is elder to them. Doesn't matter if it's just their parents, any uncle or auntie, they'll give pranam to them, and they treat all their aunts and uncles or elders as if they are their auntie and uncle, and it's very important for us because it's as if we're respecting our nation and the elders in our nation and everyone that has taught us our culture. So I think that kids here, or my peers, they do have that, and I'm very proud to be one of them. Vande Mataram!
Thank you. Dr. Sunil, your memory is so good. Tell me, what is the secret of having such a great memory?
My memory is only 50% now. It used to be over 100%. I could remember everything.
I know the secret because he's Indian. Jai Hind!
Good one, man. Good one. Harry, Jai Hind.
Jai Hind, sir. How are you?
Very nice, man. You are a multi-talented person. Tell me, in all your artistic expressions, there is a sense of connecting with everyone as Indian spirit teaches us to. So how important it is for you to be a part of this India Day Parade?
Sir, very important because as you know, we've been a part of this I've been a part of this for 12 years now. Started my career with ITV. So since those days, I've been taking care of the floats as you've been hosting and everything. So, it's good to see all the people come out. We've been inviting them on our shows. So it's excellent being here. Especially the weather is nice. Usually it's really hot. So, it feels really, really good. And there's a sense of pride being, this is a day where you show literally that, okay, I'm an American, but I'm an Indian as well. We are some of the few lucky people who have the pleasure of being both.
जब शून्य दिया मेरे भारत ने मेरे भारत ने दुनिया को तब गिनती आई भारत ने मेरे भारत ने
It's such an honor for me to be here today to celebrate the contributions of the Indian American community to our country and to our great state. I want to thank everyone for being here. It's so important these days that people of all different backgrounds come together to celebrate culture and to promote peace and harmony.
Before I let you go, you have seen so many Indians here. What do you think India teaches the world?
To watch out for the next generation and to really invest in our children because they are really our future leaders.
जय श्री कृष्णा के उद्घोष के साथ आप वैष्णव टेम्पल में सबको संबोधित करते हैं. How do you feel the spiritual aspect of India and Indian spirit as is celebrated on India Day Parade connects with each other?
Ashok bhai, thank you. Jai Shri Krishna to all viewers. We are first Indians, and India Independence Day means a lot to us. After that, also, so there is a huge connection between spirituality and Hinduism and being national patriot Indians. It is a huge connection. We are here because, you know, if we weren't Indians, we wouldn't be Hindus, we wouldn't be Vaishnavas. So there is a huge connection there, and how we appreciate being Indian and what we do for others.
Great, man. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
India teaches us a lot of things, the culture, the association, and all together bindings. India tells us so many things. It's good, it's religious, and I like it.
Every American who's on Madison Avenue is an Indian, okay? And that goes back to if Thomas Jefferson was alive today and standing on Madison Avenue, he'd be an Indian. But especially Christopher Columbus, he'd be an Indian. So, Jai Hind.
Everyone here is an Indian today. We are here to celebrate India Day Festival. It's a beautiful parade. Everyone looks forward to this day. And we are proud to be Indian and proud to be celebrating the success of our independence that we got 65 years ago.
Sujata Thakur ji, Regional Director of India Tourism is with me, and we have all enjoyed the wonderful promotion of Incredible India. Tell me, what feature of India you think people from America enjoy most?
Well, India is such a diverse country, and being the regional director and promoting India, I can't pinpoint and say that I like this region, I want to promote this region, or I want to promote that region. I want to promote the entire India. It's a beautiful country, and it makes us really proud to be here today participating in this India Day Parade, which is one of the happiest occasions. And I just want to say to the American Indians and the Americans that you just have to go to India once and you will fall in love with it and you would like to go there again and again.
For last 11 years or so, Renu has been a very active part not only of ITV as always, but of India Day Parade emceeing. So how is the feeling today, Renu?
Oh, it's always a great feeling for me because I always grew up outside of India. This is my way. Salam, namaste, incredible India. So I feel very proud, and I think all the energy comes from that spirituality that stands for me, for India, what India stands for me. And I've been doing it for like over 10 years now, and it's just such a feeling of, it's such a great feeling of pride and patriotism that I can't even express it to you.
Renu, you have been standing shoulder to shoulder with so many wonderful Grand Marshals. Which has been your favorite in terms of whose presence, whose speech, whose mannerism, and whose sincerity impress you?
I think all of them, like they're 10 fingers, and I worked for 10 years. Each one has its own charm and magic. But my favorite was Shilpa, because she's a good friend of mine, and Madhuri Dixit, and I'm sure Saif is going to be also one of my favorites this year.
Jai Hind! Good morning, everybody. My name is Dr. Kumar. I'm the Regional Director of IAPI. I would like to say, first of all, thank you to Mr. Vyas, such a helpful person, helping out the most of the Indian communities. Plus, I would like to say Happy Independence to ITV, to Mr. Vyas, to all the community, all the friends and the family. Enjoy your day. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. We feel very proud, and we feel very proud to be part of FIA in being part of this National Independence Day parade. And also, API is taking an active role, and we want to make an annual event happy for the first time we are having our own float, and we will make it every year.
Well, it's India Day Parade. We are celebrating India's independence. We are celebrating the democracy, and that what creates the more energy. That is the secret.
It means a lot to all of us. We're enjoying the freedom in India today. We have a very vibrant democracy, and the fruits of it are very evident to everybody. See what we accomplished in the last 60 years. We have a lot more to do. I'm very hopeful, and I pray that we're going to succeed.
Bharat Mata Ki! Bharat Mata Ki! Vande!
आपका नाम?
My name is Dhananjay Desai.
The
float committee members.
Dhananjay ji, when you are making people chant with you, Bharat Mata Ki Jai, how that makes you feel?
I feel very great, very, very great, okay? Because it's our freedom of our country, and we feel very great.
Vande Mataram! Bharat Mata Ki! Jai Kanhaiya Lal Ki! Nanda Gera Nanda Bayo! Jai Kanhaiya Lal Ki! Hathi Ghoda Pal Ki! Jai Kanhaiya Lal Ki! Nanda Gera Nanda Bayo! Jai Kanhaiya Lal Ki! Very good! Top of the world! Great to see so many Indians together coming and celebrating this day. It's very special. And I come here every year just to see everything. And I'm also here with Heart and Hand for the Handicapped. They're right here, the float is right here. And
you are rocking.
Rocking.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
मैं यहाँ पर पहली बार आई हूँ और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि हमारी संस्कृति अभी भी यहाँ पर बहुत अच्छे से मनाई जाती है.
जय हिंद.
Hello, Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day.
Jai Hind.
State Bank of India is launching online banking very soon. I wish on behalf of State Bank of India, all the Indians in North America a very, very happy 66th Independence Day.
I am Harjap Singh Aujla from New Jersey. As always, I am attending the India Day Parade. It's a great occasion. It's the biggest event in North America.
सभी हमारे भारतवासियों को इंडिपेंडेंस डे की मुबारकबाद हो.
Happy greetings to all the Indians, Americans and Indians for celebrating this parade.
CRY is India's first child rights organization. It was started in 1979. In the United States, we finished 10 years. So this is our 10th year. And we've been able to support about 400,000 children. And this year, as our 10th year goal and India's 65 years of independence, we're hoping to be able to support 500,000 children by the end of this year. So it's truly special.
Brought to you by State Farm, the grand sponsor, Deep Foods, Aruba Xavier University, House of Spices, and the Barnard Law Offices.
Brought to you by State Farm. Get to a better state.
Hey, Lata! Hi, how are you doing?
I'm very good.
Where is Amit? Oh, he's there.
Hey, Nisha.
Isn't that your new car?
Isn't she a beauty? Mwah, mwah.
He spent 6 months deciding on the car, but just 15 minutes getting car insurance.
Oh, bye, Nisha.
Get to a better state. State Farm.